pussy is waiting to get fucked. I'm telling you, I should have come in 10 years ago. I'd have been a millionaire by this time. By this time, I'd have had my own boat, my own car, my own golf course. This country, you gotta make the money first. Then when you get the money, you get the power. Then when you get the power, then you get the woman. That's why you gotta make your own moves.
I come from the under, bring the rain and the thunder, double pumper, burning rubber in yo baby mother. Hug supper, I eat your bitch ass up for breakfast. In Texas, we blast first and then ask questions. Competition, all you can do is keep wishing. You need to shut your motherfucking ass up and listen. The prism system's winning, a losing battle, putting hate in the heart. We got more beef than cattle. Mexicans killing Mexicans, I'm tired of you jealous men. Mad cause I'm moving on up like the Jeffersons. Easy pickings, I made a living cooking chickens. The sickest, now my flow is harder than my dick is. You bump your two lips and I'ma bust my two clips. That's two hollow tips to make you do two flips. Cause I'm a fool and a nut that really don't give a fuck. Buckle up and do a drive-by in my grandpa's truck.
Look, time is up. We gotta expand. Collaboration. Distribution. New York, Chicago, LA. We gotta set our own mark and enforce it. We gotta think big now.
I got my mind on dollar signs, blowing lime dimes to pine. My time to shine, you don't know big man, he fine. Proceed to shine and blind, dedicated to my rhyme. Top down, showing spine as I crawl on the grind. See, I'm shut them down, so flexing, I'm busting rhymes. Putting clips and lines, you caught up at the stop sign. Game sharp like Einstein, surfing, crush combined. Dripping paint on recline, I keep my bras in line. Come to find these niggas, swear to God, they wrecking the scene. I'm so tired like I green, oh, you ain't heard about me. They been mamas on Tingaling, they exposing the G-string. Say their panties got wet the first time that they feed me. I ain't no hoe, I sip hoes, get old and watch foes. Swinging 84, slam nose, blowing dough on the road. Stacking C-notes, making bitch niggas fold if they old though. To the day that I go, Southeast and Grand Old for show.
I know all that bullshit. Save your breath. You got nothing on me. You know it, I know it. I'm changing dollar bills. Listen. You wanna waste my time? Okay. I call my lawyer. He's the best lawyer in Miami. He's such a good lawyer that by tomorrow morning, you're gonna be working in Alaska.
Woke up this morning in a room that was padded up, strapped to the bed, couldn't move, got me mad enough to scream at the top of my lungs. What am I, what have I done? They stuffed my mouth so I couldn't bite my tongue, then they broke my arm and a needle stung. From the lithium, the maximum sedation. 7 hours later, made a bait interrogation. They're saying I burnt this man and his wife and the kids. It appears none of them live, I can't remember if I did, but they insist that I'm the arsonist, claiming that my part in this was that I doused the bodies in the darkest state of heartlessness. But not before I snapped the necks of each and every one of them, only cause it's cleaner than the burning up and gunning them. Then I stacked them up and grabbed the gas for the soaking them, acting like they did while the fumes went to choking them. Now it's coming back to me, reality that would be, yes, I set the fire, death beyond the common casualty.
What you say I am, huh?